How to change Truecaller homepage to messages on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open Truecaller, and as you see here we find calls. So just click on your profile here and then click this settings icon in the top corner. And once you're here you will find the Truecaller settings. Now just click general, this one here, the first one, and here we'll find messages. Now select messages, and that's it. Now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.